welcome. I am Vineet and I am a developer. This is our course introduction video. Okay, this is Core Java course and here I will cover complete Core Java concept. Every lecture will be clear and easy to understand. Every lecture will be very important and I will provide some source code in the description area and some important links and many other things. So this was our course introduction video. In the next video we will be understand what Java exactly is. Thanks for watching this video and bye bye until the next video.